Augustians, hope you all are fine and well at your paces. This is your art and craft time, and today I am going to make you learn everyday things in easy drawing. So get ready to do this activity. In everyday things, first of all, we are going to draw a towel. To draw a towel, first of all, draw two standing lines like this. Then draw a shape of letter U, like this. Now join these standing lines with a wavy line from the top side. Now draw two slant lines, and at the end of these slant lines, draw two circle shapes like this. Then draw some standing lines like this. Our towel is ready. Now draw two slant lines like this. These lines are parallel to each other. Now join these lines with slant lines like this. Now draw a standing line here and join it. Our soap is ready. Now make form like this, like a cloud. Now draw two slant lines like this. At the end of these slant lines, again draw two slant lines and join it with sleeping line. Then two standing lines. Join it with an oval shape and fill it with standing lines like this. Now draw two standing lines here and some sleeping lines here. Write Colgate. Our paste is ready. Now draw two sleeping lines like this. Then join it. Then draw slant lines like this. Then sleeping lines. Cover the upper portion by drawing this shape. Now draw standing lines like this. Our brush is ready. Now draw a cylindrical shape on the brush as paste. For the comb, draw slant lines like this and draw standing lines in the center as the teeth of the comb. Make bold these slant lines. Now draw the teeth of the comb by drawing standing lines. These lines should be equal. So, our everyday objects are ready. Try this at home. Thank you so much.